Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're doing a follow-up on Dustin. Let's take a look. Dustin is out doing his job. Dustin has been very good. He has been doing everything that he's supposed to do on a regular basis. He's been keeping the carpet nice and clean, although I see he's kind of dusty and he needs to be dusted off. Pun intended, Dustin needs to be dusted. But he has been doing a wonderful job, keeping the carpet looking good. Even though we have a bunch of visitors and the house is full of people, Dustin keeps at it. He does a significant difference, makes a big difference in the carpet and how clean the carpet is. I've been very pleased with Dustin. I haven't really talked about him lately. I see a lot of people have been researching Dustin. I think he's still on sale for $200, $400 off, and I think it's a great buy. Now, I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm just trying to tell you that Dustin is still working, he's still on the job, and he's still getting the job done. We are going to take a quick look at Dustin. Now, I just finished dusting him off because he was rather dusty. And I've never showed this before. I've already changed the filters before, but let's take a look, because there is questions about how Dustin works. So you can see that Dustin picks up quite a bit of dust. So on this roller here, you've got two tabs. You just pick up those tabs. And I know this is a subject that really I don't want to talk about it, but it's good to look at. So we have hair, we have dust. Dustin has picked up all of that stuff. And I have changed, like I said, the filters and everything, and I've cleaned this before. Now Dustin came with this nice little tool. It's got like a razor in here for cutting hair. So we are going to get a look at that right now. This just lifts out of here. It's got a drive, a square drive on one side, a round drive on the other. So the square drive goes in and you get it in here, lock it in so that it will drive. And you can get a look at the chute in there where Dustin picks up dirt and dust. All right, so we got the vacuum for the vacuum. Now on this roller, you just slide this razor down here and cut through everything. Now right here, this is where it empties to the chute. And I have seen that. I couldn't believe how much came out of there and went into the main base station. So yeah, there we go. So you just slide that down and slide this out, and then underneath is a filter. Let's get a look at that. Okay, so people want to know if Dustin works. Dustin works. And we are going to take a rag and clean the rest of this out. So this is a replaceable filter. And you can see that it's dirty. This is a cleanable, washable foam that goes ahead of that filter. And you have these replacements that I picked up off of Amazon. And this is the bag that goes inside the home base unit. It's just a piece of foam. Whoa boy. And it is dirty. I'm going to have to go wash that out, let it dry. And then this here is like a pre-screen before it gets to that. You can see it's dirty. So the dust inside Dustin has been cleaned. This little filter is, you saw how dirty it was. Now you can see through it. I have to let it dry. But it really caught the dirt before it even got into that paper filter. I decided to get a little wet rag and go over this a little more because he needed a little bit of maintenance. Like your car, like everything needs a little bit of maintenance. So just go over it with a damp towel here and that clean that screen right up. We're going to lay down the foam filter here that blocks for the paper filter. Okay, I should let it dry a little more. Okay, that filter goes together like that. Now we got the foam, the screen, the foam filter, and the paper filter. And we are locked in. The door is closed. Now I still didn't get all this dust out of here. I'm going to get some tweezers for that. Get in here with this brush. Okay, Dustin is back together with the exception of the wheel. So here is the dirty part. It's been doing its job, guys. Really has. Let's see how nice this cutter works. I like that they sent this because, you know, you're going to go grab a pocket knife or whatever. And look, it slices really nice. Like I said, the engineers were thinking when they gave you the toolkit. I know it's gross, but it proves the point that this machine picked this up off the carpet. Now this would have been on the carpet, guys. Just keep on cutting. Cutting and unwinding. So you can see that Dustin has the horsepower needed to do the job. So am I pleased with the work that Dustin has done? I am pleased. So let's put the wheel back in here. The brush, that is, like I said, we have a square drive and a round. Square in the square and round in the round. Drops in just like that. Then the cover snaps in just like that. And we are in business. We got clean brush, clean wheels, clean machine. And this little brush here that came with the replacements, but it's still good. So Dustin looks much better. We need to go look at this bag. Now I replaced it, but I'm going to replace it since we're starting fresh here. Let's go get a look at the home base, that I call it, the home base. Okay, let's get a look at Dustin's home base. Well, it feels like it's got a load in it. Let's see, hopefully these fit. Guess what? When you buy something offline, it might not fit. So this looks like it's for a deeper one. And there's some dust particles down in there. So this one sits up too high, so it must fit a different model. But I think I'm going to cut off this cardboard. I'm going to cut off that cardboard so that it's the same length, so that when I put it in, it lines up. Okay, let's go try this again. Okay, Dustin's got a new bag. If you stayed with me this long, let's take a look inside the bag. 'Cause I'm curious just like you. Now this bag feels really robust. Those other bags were genuine, but they were obviously not the same exact size. So let's see. We're going to cut this open and have a look. Oh boy. Let me hold this open. Well, what do you think? You think Dustin did his work? Dustin did one great job. He has been cleaning and cleaning and cleaning. This is full of dust. Right where you want it to be, inside the bag and not on the carpet. Like I said, I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm just trying to show you that Dustin works. Okay, we're going to put Dustin home. And lights are lit. Dustin is clean. He's charging. Well, I hope you made it through to the end to see all that dust that Dustin captured. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys on the next one.